Dear brothers, today I'm going to teach you how to make Instant Pot cheesecake. To start off, get all of these ingredients ready so that you can get started. Place your graham crackers into a gallon Ziploc bag. You'll want to get 2 graham crackers per 8-ounce mason jar. The cheesecake mixture will yield about 3 mason jars, but in this video I'm only going to make 2. Once the graham crackers are in the bag, you'll want to sprinkle a little bit of salt and start cracking. This is also a great time to melt your butter. I think 2 tablespoons per mason jar works great. Also, to help with the smashing process, I like to use my hands to assist in the breaking of the crackers before I pick up my trusty old rolling pin. If you don't have one of those, use a hard bottle or utensil to speed up the process. Rather than rolling your rolling pin over and over on top of your Ziploc bag, I like to use the edge of that rolling pin to help make the consistency smooth. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and put in that butter that you melted ahead of time. Now toss that mixture around so the butter is distributed evenly. If you want your crust to be sweeter, you can throw in some sugar in here as well. I also took this time to crush the final big pieces of graham cracker with my rolling pin. We are now ready to create the crust in the mason jar. So we're going to go ahead and split the mixture evenly amongst your jars and use a fork to gently press down on that crust. Let's now make that cheesecake mixture. You'll want to start with room temperature cream cheese. If your cheese is too cold, this process is going to be a little difficult. One 8-ounce package of cream cheese is perfect for 3 8-ounce mason jars. Open your package and throw that into a mixing bowl. To show you how easy this is, I decided to use a fork and spatula instead of my stand mixer. Once your cream cheese is smooth, throw in 1/3 cup of sugar and continue mixing. We are now ready for our egg. Try to use a room temperature egg, otherwise you'll have a little bit of difficulty in mixing like I did. I also threw in a pinch of salt. If you have vanilla, you can also throw that in as well. Once the egg is well incorporated into the mixture, pour a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and continue mixing. You'll want to avoid over-mixing so the finished product isn't too thick. Let's get our piping bag ready. Grab a cup and a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Place that bag inside that cup and the outer seal over the edge of the cup. Another tip is to try and get all of that mixture into one corner of the bag. Remove the bag from the cup and take this time to move the mixture over to one corner. You can use your hands and just drag it over to one corner so that it will be perfect. You will then twist the top so that when you're ready to pipe, the bag doesn't explode. Grab your mason jars and we are ready to pipe. Cut the tip of your bag and let's begin. Start by placing the tip of the bag at one corner and squeeze the bag. You may also find that it's easier if you just turn your jar as you begin to pipe. Don't fill it up too high. Now that the jars are filled, let us make things a little bit even. Start by tapping and tapping onto the jar so that everything becomes smooth and evenly distributed. Instant Pot, place 1 cup of water, your steaming rack, and top it with your mason jars. You'll want to go ahead and seal that and make sure that the cap is on sealing. Also, we're going to set the timer for 5 minutes and then also let it depressurize for 5 minutes on its own. Make sure to refrigerate your cheesecake before you eat. Also, if you want to make a bigger cheesecake like this one, use a 6-inch ring and place it in the Instant Pot for 17 minutes and depressurize for 3 minutes before you open it on your own. You can also top it with any of your special fruits that you like or desire. Also, if you like this recipe or want to know more, make sure to subscribe and follow me on min2be.com. Thank you!